Hello everyone! Today we're taking a look at Third Hills. This is their men's hoodie sweatshirt that feels almost like silk. So let's go ahead and put it on and see if it's true to size. This is size large. We normally take size large. We are 5'9", 197 pounds currently, which we're working on getting that down to 189. I think that's where it's our sweet spot. But wanted to give you my details a little bit. All right, so this is an oversized. Okay, so you have that nice V. Get it a little closer for you guys to see here. It's a little hard to see with the lighting. But this is nice. It goes down long enough that if you lift your hands up, your belly's not like hanging out. You do have a full through pocket, so it goes fully through. I like that. It's soft, it's comfortable. I like the sleeves, so if you look on the sleeves, it gets tighter right in here. It's a little hard because of the black. The black blends in like really well. But if you see, it gets tighter and then it's more loose. Let's see, you guys can, a little loose like down here. I like that. You can easily roll up your sleeves if you want as well. Let's take a look at the hood. All right, so the hood can be very deep. I like that. Or you just simply pull and adjust the hood like that if you want. Overall, it's nice. I like it, guys. If it's your style, I think you're gonna like it. True to size.